What's up guys, and welcome to my channel ESP. With this video I wanted to share with you all my top 20 or so websites and programs that we as students should try using within our education. The first one is called Citation Machine. It generates citations that you may need for your citation page or bibliography. It can generate several different formats such as APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. All you have to do is copy and paste the URL for a website. Then once that is done, you press search websites and then select. And then if you scroll down, you will see all the info that the website has generated for you. Some of the info they may not be able to automatically generate, so you will have to manually find that for yourself. Then once you are satisfied with the end results, all you have to do is copy and paste the citation into whatever document you need it in. The next site I want to show you is called Print Friendly. This website allows you to generate a print-friendly page of content without the annoying ads that may pop up or other irrelevant stuff. And again, all you have to do is copy and paste the URL of a specific website and voila, you have a print-friendly document. Now this one is called ₂PDF. It can convert any type of file, whether it's a JPEG, PNG, doc, etc., into a PDF. All you have to do is drag and drop the file that you want to be converted, and it does the rest for you. Also with this website, it has several other functions, such as combining several files into one PDF. Whether you are trying to combine several PDFs or combine several documents or images, whatever the case may be, it does the job for you. PDF Escape is a free online website that allows you to edit PDFs. So yeah, all you have to do is drag and drop the file you want to edit. It can be a PDF file or even a picture file like what I have dropped in. If you want to type in text, then all you have to do is press the text button. And since this is just to show you how it all works, I'll just be typing gibberish. I use this website all the time when I was applying for scholarships in colleges so that my application looked more neat and professional. Also, if you press the More button, then more options will show up, such as the one I am using, the check mark, and you can resize it as you see fit. And if you need to delete something, the trash button is in the gray area above. Also, you can use whiteout if you messed up on something. And once you are done filling out all the info, all you have to do is press the green downward arrows, which will allow you to save and download the file to your computer. I like using this one because, again, it's free, and so many of the other online services I have researched required either a membership and or a subscription fee. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so this is called Mailinator. It allows you to generate temporary email addresses. Same with Yelp Mail, it does the exact same thing. I recommend you using this, especially if you are signing up for a lot of online stuff. So later on, when you stop caring about that specific service, you still are being bombarded with emails from that service. The only difference between the two is that the mail in your inbox on Yelp Mail lasts for about 8 days, whereas with Mailinator it lasts for only a couple of hours. So depending on how long you want for a certain email to stay within your inbox, you can choose whatever website is best for you. ₂ allows you to search up alternatives to different websites, softwares, apps, etc. So once you type in what you want to find the alternative to, the website will generate several programs or websites that are fairly similar, in addition to what types of computers or programs such as Mac or Windows that they support. And of course, most of the suggestions that they offer you are free for you to use. Supercook is for those of us who may be looking through our pantry or refrigerator at home or in our dorm after a long day of school and it looks like there's nothing to eat. With this website, all you have to do is type in the foods that you do have and it will generate a list of dishes that you could potentially make for yourself. Wolfram Alpha, it's kind of hard to say, is a broad learning tool in which you can learn all types of things such as science, math, arts, technology, and it's all for free. All you have to do is press what you are looking for, whether that's in the science or the math or whatever you're into, and yeah. Khan Academy, different website, serves the same purposes as the one before. Allison, again, same type of idea. You have to create an account in order to get started. And as you can see, I just BS'd my way through my email using the one I made through Yolkmail, which shows you that it does in fact work. You're a liar? Well, how did you know? Anyways, once you have signed in, you are ready to study. Coursera, same purpose. If you can tell by now, I'm kind of getting tired of talking about this. Anyways, at the top of the website with Coursera, you will see all the fancy universities that it is certified and sponsored by. So let's say that you want to learn about program languages. Click that, scroll down, and you will see through what university it is taught through and who exactly is teaching the course. Again, fill out your info and yeah. This is the final broad learning website. I swear I'm getting tired of it myself. So yeah, edX, same gist. Ooh, anime. I'm gonna click on that. So when you press enroll, and once that is pressed, it gives you two options to either pay about $50 to take the class and actually get certified in it, or to audit the class, which means that it is totally free for you to take the class. However, you won't be certified. So whatever floats your boat, you do that, yeah. Okay, so now on to the better content, Crash Course. This helped me out a lot when I was in high school, especially in AP Biology, my senior year. It covers other subjects such as physics, history, arts, whatever you are looking for, really. TED Ed. Your teacher has probably had you listen to a TED Talk once, so yes, this is through the same organization. It pretty much has the same kind of content as Crash Course, and it's worth checking out. Mathway is an awesome website if you are in a math class, and thank God with my major I don't have to deal with much of any math anymore. But anyways, it has lots of functions and math equations that you can create all for free. It also has an app which works for both Android and Apple users. So if you don't have one of those fancy expensive $100 or $200 calculators, consider using this, which again is free. Also, if you press on this triple colon here and press examples, it shows you all of what it is capable of. Also at the upper left of the screen where it says algebra and has those 3 triple bars, you can click that if you are trying to do a different type of math besides algebra. Slater. I used this so much when I was in high school. It really was the real MVP. Let's say a teacher assigns questions for you to do from the textbook. With Slater, all you have to do is look up your specific textbook, and if the website has it, then click on it. You can type in the specific page number of where the questions reside, or go directly to the table of contents and see chapter by chapter. Then all you have to do is scroll through the questions that have been answered as indicated in red. Click the one you are looking for, and not only will they show you the answer, but also the work shown, which of course is necessary if you are doing something math related. Schmoop. With this website, it pretty much serves the same exact purpose as SparkNotes, such as test prep for ACT, SAT, AP, or whatever you're looking for. Now with this, I will be going over two different grammatical softwares for your writing. One is called Ginger and the other one is called Grammarly. Both are free to download and are able to pick up grammatical errors that not even Microsoft Word can pick up. As seen in this document, I am using both Ginger and Grammarly simultaneously. Things highlighted in blue are the work of Ginger, and things that are underlined in green or red are from Grammarly. I recommend that you go ahead and download one of these, if not both of them, because Grammarly can pick up certain things that Ginger cannot, and vice versa. This way your essay or whatever you are writing has double the protection of grammar correction. Quizlet is by far my all-time favorite, because a lot of times I can find great study guides from people who were or are currently taking the same course as me, who have already created a review for a certain quiz or exam, meaning that all I have to do is study from what they have already researched. And also, if you're wanting to copy and paste the info from any given website into a document, use Ctrl-Shift-V, which will have it pasted in using the same font and size that you are already using within your document. It really does save you a lot of time. Well, that's it. If you liked this video, then go ahead and physically like it, subscribe, share. Also check out my other videos. They talk about how to get scholarships, write scholarship essays, how to get straight A's, and all that other good educational stuff. And also, if you have any other websites that are useful for students, go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. So yeah, bye.